Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're opening notes and starting with a single new note. That's where the action begins. Tap the New Note button and pick a folder or create one so your work is organized. Make sure iCloud Sync is on in settings so your notes back up and appear across devices. Once you've created the note, decide whether you'll type, draw, or scan. That choice changes the toolbar options. Start with a clear title and a brief outline so you stay focused. Now you're filling the note with content and structure. Use the formatting toolbar to add headings, checklists, and tables so information is scannable. Checklists are great for tasks. Drag items to reorder or long press a note to move it between folders. This keeps your library tidy. If you have an Apple Pencil, Sketch, or Handwrite directly, convert handwriting to text when you need searchable content. Also attach photos, documents, or scan pages. These embed and stay with the note. You're at the finish line. Finalize and protect your work. Use Share to send or collaborate, and set permissions so others can view or edit only what you want. Lock sensitive notes with a password or Face ID to keep them private, and export important notes as PDF for archiving. If something goes wrong, for example notes don't sync, toggle iCloud Notes off and on, sign out and back into Apple ID, or reboot. That usually clears sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.